In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,250 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Facebook. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Facebook. How do I find people who are interested to buy those services or products from my affiliate links from Facebook, and just by using free traffic, okay? So make sure to watch this video until the end, because I will share with you guys some new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission like this, okay? So, and I made this commission just in 1 month, okay? In March, okay? From the first day, okay, until today, 31 March. Let's update this page, okay? And here you go. As you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. This is my affiliate account dashboard, okay? It's not screenshots. I'm not like other people showing you screenshots. I made this money, but who share dashboard account like this, okay? So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, what you need to do first, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just have to use your email address, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? What you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates, okay? You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission, okay? And each person who will buy a service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. And this person, if he keeps buying more services in future, you will keep earning more commission, okay? So you can check and you can get idea. So to join Fiverr affiliate, just click over here on join now, okay? You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address and username, your password, account type, make it private, okay? And they will ask you a question. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it, okay? After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate, okay? And I want to explain something, guys, okay? A lot of people always asking me in comments why it's showing 0 in your impression and in your CTR, okay? Let me explain to you this. So when you will sign up to Fiverr affiliate program here, they will ask you here, as you can see, do you have main source of traffic, okay? If you say yes, you need to put your website link here, okay? And your website link here. So for me, I said no, I don't have any website, okay? If you said yes and you put your website, then Fiverr will track your impression and you will start seeing numbers of your impression here and of your CTR, okay? If you put your website. If you say no, then you have no website, okay? So I want just to make this clear, and I cannot always keep explaining this. So if you want, you can, and that's it, okay? So I cannot always keep explaining this in my videos, okay? Anyways, so after you finish your sign up process, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose a profitable service that you will promote on Facebook, okay? And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate service that I was promoting on Facebook, okay? So what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage, okay? Go back to your Fiverr homepage like this, click over here on the search and search for logo design, okay? Search for logo design services, okay? And I want you to pay attention in this step. Here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good seller, okay? Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? So let's choose, for example, Let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, like this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, okay? And he has almost 5 star. I will click on his service. Just click on his service, okay? You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This seller has a lot of orders in queue. People keep coming back. This seller is providing good service for his customers, okay? So what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link like this, okay? And you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here, okay, like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. Just open your Facebook homepage like this, okay? It's really super easy. Go back to your Facebook homepage, and over here, let me show you. Click over here on the search, okay, and search for logo design, okay. Search for logo design. Click on the search for logo design. I want you to pay attention in this step. Scroll down, you have here search result. Scroll down over here and click on groups, okay, because we need Facebook groups, okay. Click on groups, and here you go, okay. You will find a lot of logo design Facebook groups that you need to join, okay. So make sure to join all those groups, okay. After you finish, let's take for example a group. Let's take this group for example, okay. Just click on the group that you want to use like this, and scroll down, and here you go. You will find on those groups, you will find a lot of people are searching for, they need logo, and they are searching for logo designer, okay, like this one. He just posted this post today, okay. I need a logo designer, okay. This one is looking for logo designer. If we scroll down, I'm looking for an Indian graphic designer. This one is looking for graphic designer, okay. If you scroll down again, you will find a lot of people. Here is another person, okay. This one, I need a professional logo designer from Pakistan. This one looking for logo designer, okay, and so much more. You will find a lot of people here searching for logo designer. What you will do, okay, so make sure to join public groups, okay. Scroll down, click over here on write something, okay, like this, and over here. So what you will create a public post, okay. You will go back to Fiverr, to this Fiverr seller page, okay, and scroll down. Let me see his description. This is his description, okay, about this gig, okay. Welcome to my, okay, this is, so what you will do, you should probably thank yourself, okay. You will copy this description. Let me show you. I will copy just this part, okay, like this, and go back to Facebook, okay, and put this description here like this, and here, okay, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here, okay. Go back to Facebook and put your affiliate link here, okay, like this, and here you go. So those people who are searching for logo designer to make a logo, they will buy this service from your affiliate link on Facebook, and you will earn commission. It's super easy, okay. And this is your description that's explaining this service to you, to those people who are searching for logo designer, as you can see. Okay, you will delete this one like here, or you can create a description for yourself and explaining this service to your customers, okay. And after you finish, click on post, and this affiliate link will be published in this group, and people who are searching for logo designer, they will find this service on this Facebook group, and if they click on your affiliate link and buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. It's really super easy. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.